I just got a package from the Zero Waste store and I'm so excited to show you some of my favorite products. If you're someone who travels a lot and is constantly on the go, you need to try out these products because these have been a game changer. I have with me an entire set of shower products, a shampoo, conditioner, body butter, and soap bar. And what's amazing about these products is if you're always on the go, they're so compact, light, easy to use. They're not a liquid, so you don't have to worry about checking in a bag. If you're flying, you could just pop them in your luggage and they're perfectly fine. Another benefit about these is that they use 100% natural ingredients. They are sustainable, eco-friendly, and they smell so good. This is the Sunshine Bar from Suds & Co. and they literally smell like a tropical vacation. I'm always looking for ways to implement sustainable choices into my life, and swapping out these soaps that you use is a simple change but can make a big difference. If you've been looking to make more sustainable choices in your life but don't know where to start, definitely check out the Zero Waste store. There are so many sustainable brands and products on their sites. They have laundry detergent, straws, kitchenware, cutlery, soap, skincare. The opportunities are endless, so definitely check them out.